Tesla preparing construction on Giga, Nevada, semi-factory. Tesla is preparing to start construction on its upcoming high-volume semi-factory in Nevada, as suggested by huge steel deliveries recently arriving to the site. In a post on Sunday, ex-user Henrik Zane shared drone footage from the site of the upcoming semi-factory, which is being built as part of an expansion to Tesla's existing Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada. In the footage, you can see a massive amount of steel that was recently delivered to the site, suggesting that the company is nearing the start of construction on the long-awaited semi-factory. You can see Henrik's full video below. Tesla started breaking ground on expansions to Giga, Nevada in January, setting the stage for increased production of both the Semi and its 4,680 battery cells. During Tesla's Q1 2024 earnings call in April, Senior Manager of the Semi program Dan Priestley shared a few thoughts on the upcoming facility, noting that the automaker is aiming for the first semis to roll off the production line in late 2025, with early external customers starting in 2026. Tesla delivered its very first semi-units to PepsiCo in December 2022, and although the Semi program has been fairly quiet since, the automaker has recently started delivering more and expanding to other companies. In May, Tesla delivered 50 additional semis to PepsiCo, following deliveries to Costco, Martin Brower, and Walmart. In addition, Tesla semis have been in more frequent use around the company's factories, and the automaker recently highlighted that it has been used to ship over 20,000 battery packs out of Giga, Nevada. They've also been spotted at the factory in Fremont, California, and Tesla recently shared some footage of the Semi transporting goods between the two factories. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.